Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I just finished filming a short unboxing video of some of the new Hot Wheels cars which I have received. Just to be clear, all of these are imported cars. None of these are officially sold in India, but ठीक है, मजेदार हैं. Funny story about a couple of those. What happened was that I already had them, but I've got a close friend, and he had to gift a few cars to his nephew on Christmas. And by that time his cars could not come, so basic decency was to offer him those cars because it was for a child and the child was supposed to go back to Germany, I think, where he resides. So I offered those cars, and those cars went off to the child, so I had to reorder them, get them again. So in that process, few cars which have come, most of them are doubles. For example, I've got this is the Datsun King Cab Baja Custom. This was one of those cars, and got two because I'm thinking about opening it. Let me know if you want to see it open. क्या आप इसे देखना चाहते हो uncarded, or have you already seen it? If you already have, then probably I won't bother, but let me know what you think about this casting. Personally speaking, I think it's a very nice one. I've got the whole set. Might or might not be displayed behind me, but I've got the whole set, so yeah, that is nice. Then in the Japan Historic Series, we've got this. This is the Prince Skyline GT in this beautiful blue color. Also great color, great details. I also got a pair of these. Planning to open, I generally open few of my Hot Wheels. If I open, I get spare. So if you want to see this in detail, you want to see pictures and all, let me know. We'll probably see if we can open this up. Range Rover, I might be having a spare one. I really liked this. The whole set, it was really nice. You know, it had the Prado, 4Runner, Bel Air, G-Wagon, all of it. I could only get this so far. Trying to source the full set, but problem with these is that they become very expensive very fast. This one is, however, beautiful mustard yellow, beautiful color, beautiful details. I love it. Planning to open this also. Let me know if you are seriously interested in that, because see, whatever I do, whatever I create, that is divided into two parts. One is, of course, what I feel like I should show you guys, I show it. But then sometimes I take your suggestion that do you actually want to see it uncarded and all? Do you want to buy it? Do you want to see what it looks like? This is another one. This is, I think, a Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. This is from the Slide Street 2 series. So Slide Street 1 I've got over there, and I've got its Mustang also. So I've got the Slide Street 1 Mustang also, and these are both of them side by side. So this one I've got the full set. This one I do not have the full set. In this there were 2-3 popular castings. One was the Lambo and another was the Mustang, and 3 Japanese cars you got. Depends, if you like Japanese cars, then they were also very popular, especially the Corolla. And these are the Slide Street Mustangs side by side. So today you might be noticing that we've got a different setup compared to other days, and this is actually a very nice setup. I built this because I wanted to be able to film videos with this background, but the problem is that when you do branded collaborations, sponsored posts, then you are representing a certain brand. It can be any brand, which is not Hot Wheels, I'll tell you that much. So because Hot Wheels is very popular, very common, very mainstream, there is a certain amount of leeway which you get. I mean, you know, any diecast collector, they've got a couple of Hot Wheels lying around, so that is okay. But personally speaking, I don't find it very ethical to film a video about any other brand and having this as my background, because I know that sometimes people are not looking at the car which I'm showing, but they're actually trying to look at the background and see which car is there. So yeah, you know, that is one of the main reasons why you see that some of the brands I show you from that end of my display, and then when it's Hot Wheels and all, like the new ones which I've got, I'm more than happy to use this as my background. In case you were wondering about it, now you understand the reasoning. And then I got a pair of dual packs over here. So this is this, you might have seen it earlier also. This is the Prado with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. So Prado is my first Prado by Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Premium, ever since they made Prado, I do not have a single Prado mainline or a Premium or anything by Hot Wheels. So I was really excited for this dual pack. And I got 2 of these that in case I ever want to open, I can do that without thinking too much about it. So this is it, guys. Short haul, but an expensive one, of course, because all of these are imported. Let me know if you like these, which one is your favorite, and which one would you like to see uncarding video, unboxing video, detailed photographs, HD photographs. We'll see what we can do about it. Thanks for watching.